guys, mag-unboxing na naman tayo. May gift na naman si Baby Anika guys from... Ayan, shout out kay Ninang Mel at kay Ninong Marbs. Ayan, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ayan, thank you so much, Madi, Ninang Mel, and kay Ninong Marbs. Ayan, tingnan natin guys, anong laman. Wow! Anika, Baby Anika. Look at this, Baby Anika, oh. Ayan, mayroon. Ano naman si Baby Anika? Ayan. Say thank you kay Ninang at Ninong. At saka mayroon pang, naku, ang daming ponytails. Ayan, ang daming ipit ang clip. Oh, may clip din. Oh. Wow, thank you so much. Ninang Mel at Ninong Marbs. Ayan, ang dami nito, oh. Wow! Say thank you. Say thank you. Okay, ayan. Thank you daw, Ninang and Ninong. And then, another one. Ala, ayan. Ayun, Young Learners. Copy coloring book. Ayan, may coloring book din. Oh, ayan na. Oh. Thank you so much, Ninang Mel at Ninong Marbs. At saka may ampaw din si Baby Anika. Ayan, iyak-iyak ng bata. Oh. Another ampaw from Mami Nimpa, Silma. Ayan. Baby Anika, may 200 ka na. 700 na si Baby Anika sa na money guys. So thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Sa wala pa nakahatag, magulat pa si Baby Anika. Bye. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.